Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to run your Thunder Client collections from the CLI. Let's get started. To run a single collection, simply use tccol followed by the collection name. This command executes all requests directly from the terminal. To run all collections, use tccol all. This will run every collection present in the workspace. You can skip specific collections using the skip flag like this. For example, it skips the payment and reviews collections. To switch environments for a run, use the env flag like this. The current environment is set to dev, but this run is using the staging environment. To include a data file, use the data file flag like this. This data file path can be located anywhere on your system. It should be in CSV or JSON format. To run requests in parallel, use the multi-concurrent flag. This now runs 5 requests to run at a time. For iterations, use the iterations flag like this. This runs the entire collection 10 times. It's helpful for repeating a flow multiple times. To run specific folders or multiple folders, use the folder flag like this. Pass the folder names as comma-separated values for multiple folders. To generate reports after a run, use the report flag. Thunder Client supports various report formats. All these reports are saved in the Thunder Reports folder within your workspace project. Finally, that covers everything you can do with the Thunder Client CLI runner. Check out the documentation for more options, link in the bio. Thanks for watching.